We're headed up to the Eagle Nest for breakfast from our camper. Roy's up there getting it ready for us.
There's the Eagle's nest.
Yep, and the camper in the back where he's making us breakfast.
It's nice and hidden behind the trees. Come up on the trail. Ooh, and there's our father for Father's Day.
Good morning and happy Father's Day. Geez, you made it to the Eagle's Nest. Hey, just letting you know, everybody, we had a lot of questions. Do you actually cook anything on that stove of yours? I mean, you showed us the stove, showed us how it heats and all that. Well, now we're going to show you, we're going to cook breakfast on Father's Day up here. It's about, 7:45 in the morning, right in there, close. And anyway, I just fired the stove up and the girls, they caught me up here. And it takes just a little bit of kindling. And you can see I kind of got a little dab of kindling up front there. And we're just getting ready to cook some bacon. The pan's just starting to warm up. Oh, and back over here, that's a shot of cowboy coffee. I'll show you how that works. Bottle and a half of hot water. Okay, just a minute. Here's your good demonstration on how we make our old cowboy coffee right out here on the range. Okay. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. That's it. That's good for around 3-4 cups. Oh, and you hear our little bacon is just starting to sizzle. That stove ain't hardly been going a little over a minute. It ain't as fast as a gas stove or electric. Well, no, it's as fast as electric. But anyway, we just got things going here. We're gonna have us a little breakfast grub here. I think Nova, the dog, she's more interested in eating on this than we are. But anyway, we'll catch up with you later as we develop our breakfast here. Oh, if you get in there close, and it's just starting to cook. Oh, we're just getting ready to cook some bacon. Now, if you want to hear your bacon snap, crackle, and popping, this is some of our White House bacon we made earlier. Oh, man, it's just a little stuffy. It's like stick in there a little bit. And you wait till we get a little bit of grease going here. And this thing, it'll make its own grease just off this bacon. And we just old-fashioned use a knife, just plain old, everyday knife. The good old Chicago cutlery. This is probably 30 years old. We like stuff that works. Well, one thing really nice this morning, well, at least we ain't got the wind blowing like mad.
Yeah.
You know, it's nice and still. Oh, did you film them, the Eagle's Nest from down below as you came up?
Yep.
Oh, that was a good deal. This is a neat little spot. You can't even see it until you get up here. It's just hidden. And we got traffic that drives right by the road out here, and they can't even see us in here. It's just, this is where the eagles hang out. Now, there is a little eagle that's up here. It's not like a bald eagle. What is those kind of like? They're small eagles. I ain't up on all the eagles' names. He's kind of a, he's starting to tan. Oh, he says you're getting plenty hot. So if you're starting to get plenty hot, you just start choking her down. That's how you turn the burner down. And then if you want your burner turned down more yet, well, then you just go up here and you just choke the wind down, and there you are. It's pretty simple. This is just as neat as a gas or electric range with thermostats. All you gotta do is learn to run your controls. Here we got the damper, he's down. Oh, we're getting our bacon done. See, when you got a whole slug of bacon, now we put some of the raw on the bottom, we put some of our cooked on the top. We're gonna try to get this baby to all finish at once. Oh, and you see our cowboy coffee, a little steam coming off of there. Oh. And when we're burning in the trees, we alter our chimney a little bit. See how we puff him down? We don't want any flying sparks up. Now, normally we don't cook this close to the trees, but it just happens to be how we set our thing up. So as long as you understand the stove good, it'll work really good right here by the trees. So anyway, that's the way. Now if it gets super hot and dry, like say 100 degrees out here for a month or two and things are flammable, no, we'll back it out of there. But it is nice and dewy this morning, so everything is nice and damp. So anyway, she's cooking away here. Oh, I got some of the fresher bacon down on the bottom. He's getting cooked in. Some of this is getting done. And he gets up here on the top. He gets up here on the top. And then when we're just about completely all done, if you had 2 skillets, oh, he said he wants a little bit of air. There, he's after a little more air. That's why he pooped at you. And he says, give me just a little bit more air there. There, good enough. See, that's how this smoke all cleared up. You know, we kind of ended up building like a little rocket stove in a way. I mean, that thing works like a rocket stove. Like now, he's all cleaned up. He's burning clean. You won't see any smoke. I mean, we kind of had, it's kind of an interesting damn stove. Kind of, well, sometimes, you know, they say the sun shines on a dog's ass someday. Well, when we built our stove, it did. Interesting. Oh, your coffee's getting warmer. And we get our bacon done. Now, I did have a neat little tin plate over in the shop. It's probably long gone from now. But I did have it to where you had to lift it up like this, and then it would set in here, and then I could take it and set something up here when we was cooking, you know, inside or outside. But it has mainly worked when it was on the outside. And I looked around for it a little bit yesterday and shit. We had one hell of a time getting those things found, you know, to extend for our tables, you know, and our chairs so we could make a bed out of them. And, well, we got them found. A lot of people probably didn't think we had them, but they got the originals. They're in there. And I just got them in, and you can take them out. But as long as if you ain't using these little cabinets, lifting the lids up and down. See what happens when you do slide them on there, it kind of restricts this cabinet lid from opening because it's slid in there and it's kind of lined up for the mattress. And then if you want to use these active, we just slide these back out. We lean them over there. There's a little clip there where they stay put over there. And it works good. But hell, everybody kind of enjoys them in there, so we just been leaving them in. Okay, breakfast for. We had 4 canines up here really snooping out our supplies. And here comes one of them right now. They're like, what the hell? Would there probably be some left for you?
I don't see his Ripley.
One. Gee, miss. Here we go. You guys line
Get
them
one
up.
over there.
Ripley,
Okay.
sit.
Are you ready to set yours down? Betty, get yours down somehow.
Well, everybody's
Ripley, come.
ready.
Okay, Blue.
Sit.
There you go, Blue.
Stay. Stay.
Blue.
There.
There.
Roxy, come
Roxy,
here.
yours is over here, Roxy.
Roxy,
Yours
come
is
here.
over here. Roxy, yours is over here.
Okay, Roxy.
There you go. Boy, kids, there you are now. The kids are all eating breakfast.
Blue, get up here and eat your food.
Get your food ate. Blue, get your food ate.
He like backed away.
This ain't gonna work out very good, Blue.
Come on.
That sucker will get ate up in a little
Hurry
bit.
up before the other dogs go. Hurry up.
Yeah. Skinny Minnie's gonna come and gobble it.
I could turn them so we could get some burnt bacon. I like burnt bacon. How they brag about the rocket stoves, how they don't smoke. Well, you notice how this one here, we got him fired up. Oh, and he's cooking good. Practically zero smoke. Coffee's just about done. I shot a little more in there to cool him off. Settle the grounds. And I had a couple pieces I cut kind of thick here. And they refer to that as cowboy bacon. Well, you're really getting cooked that hard. Nailed his ass over here pretty good. Okay. We get this guy here tanned up a little bit, and we'll have that stuff cooked. Boy, here you go. There is a plate full of bacon. Eggs are next. Oh, and the coffee's all done too. Shoo. And I gotta have this little guy. Oh yeah. Well, my water is boiling on my coffee and I don't want that. So, and my egg water is getting plenty hot. Now we gotta be really, really careful. So, we don't hit this handle and take a dump. That's one thing, this is a very tiny little stove. Okay. Yeah. Oh my, I'll tell you what we're gonna do here. Some sausage patties smashed out in here cooking. They're getting close. We're getting ready to flip the eggs. Yeah, good flip on that one. Yeah, good flip on that one. And a good flip on this. Oh, look at that boy. Right on the money. Doesn't it just look like a pearl with that? You thought I cooked with this thing every day. I get a lot of practice on my other old wood stove. Let's see, how are you guys coming there? Oh, he's getting tanned up pretty good. Ah, he's getting nice and tanned. Yeah, he's getting nice and look at this thing down here. Oh, one thing for a little stove. He's getting pretty close. Oh, okay, Betty, I need a little plate for your eggs here because I'm ready for some more eggs. You guys like your little eggs a little bit soft inside? Okay, hurry up. Here you go. Now, here we go. There's one. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, now look at this one here. Ooh, look at this one here. Oh, look at that. And just take a look at them eggs. Don't them eggs look, of course, you can't even get that good at a Chef Boyardee. Okay, now, we gotta get some more eggs on here. Crack them right on that hard grill. Does a beautiful job. And Betty, she got me a egg catcher out there. Ooh, post catcher. And the girl's there, maybe wanting one egg. Now, they ain't convinced we can make them toast here yet, so hey, hang on here a second, Will. It's kind of hard to go at this and get your little toast all done, but okay, there you go. There's your list. And we gotta do a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, Betty, if you got your little meat plate in there, got your bacon and stuff on it, hang on over to the door here quick, and we will load this up. Okay, we left it in that skillet. That skillet was kind of warm. Okay, now this is done. Now we can make toast. Okay. Put you over there. Toast. Oh, now I gotta do four things. I gotta go really fast here. You gotta watch my eggs. Oh, now we're making toast. Didn't know this had a toaster on it too, did you? Oh, here's second batch of eggs coming up. Ooh, they're starting to look pretty good. Yeah. Oh, we got that side toasted there. Oh, he's toasted there. Okay, now we're going to be needing a egg plate here in a little bit coming up. And we can just probably put the eggs all on top of the one. Then we get done here, we'll say it's a nice Father's Day grace and have us a nice little Father's Day breakfast. Out or on the old camper stove, a lot of guys didn't know if this thing worked. And you are done. There's some of your toast done. I need more bread. Well, that toaster don't shit around, does it? I mean, when it makes toast, it makes toast. Okay, you guys get over there. See what I do before I put the toast on, I have some paper towel and I wipe the grill off really clean. Just burn it all off nice so there ain't no dirt or dust on. And that's just hot enough, that just burns that really good. Okay, Betty, I'm awful close to your little egg plate again. In fact, these eggs as they hit the little thing there. Ooh, he looks really nice. Oh, look at that one there. Oh, and you got to get the cracklings on Okay. Okay, now the bread's got to get the hell off there. Okay, now we're all done there. Nope, hang on the handle. Okay, bread smells good. Okay, now what we do is choke the stove down. He gets shut down. Boom. There he is. Now he might do a little snorting. Sometimes he don't like get choked down that much, but there he is. And trust me, it's too hot to go inside because I'm almost sweating out there cooking it. And then like, when you kind of get all done with the thing, we use a little bit of this paper towel. Oh shit, he's all nice and clean. And we can put that in if that's about ready to go out. And now we can bring our little coffee back. He's still plenty hot, but we'll set him here. We'll turn the handle a little in. So make sure you got a little paper towel if you go grabbing the handle. Okay. Now, canned tomatoes. Oh, my goodness, look at that. Delicious. Put some home canned tomatoes in. And then we put a little bit of good old honey right off the farm. Hutchison, he rents our farm. Then he gives us a little bit of honey, you know, for the rent. And we just keep the honey. And then anyway, here's just some eggs left there, and there's some butter over there. Where's John at? And I'm going to get me a coffee. Okay, are you guys ready? Appreciate our little group together. We wanted to have this little breakfast because we had a lot of viewers just didn't think this thing worked. Well, hopefully they can understand this works great. So anyway, we bless you for our little breakfast, and thank you. Amen.
Amen.
And you can't crowd four, but sometimes the girls, they got the little chairs. They're going out there.
Well, the only way to get it something else is if you had something that could flip out.
Well, I'm telling you. And Betty, she went and got something fancy down here.
It's from Ann. Got you one. I got some. John and Ryler put it up for you.
And got your little tables.
They even bought you a little old table.
I'm telling you, that swing looks highly interesting to me. Now that is what I say is neat.
Well, happy
Hey,
Father's
Grandma.
Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Well, thank you guys. Just checking the hooks, see if they got enough snort to them.
They're not supposed to be on furniture. Jeez.
Oh, jeez. What do you think of a little action in front? The dogs are so tickled over this little spot. They enjoy it. Oh, they actually got a, kind of like to them, it's a living room that they can attack and play in and not get scolded. Well, anyway, we're just enjoying their little surprise for me for Father's Day. But here's the kicker, gang. When I come driving in this morning, up that little driveway, I'm looking up at my eagle's nest, and I got a little bit of rock work I've been thinking about doing on the north side of the trail. And you know, I drove right past their Father's Day surprise of these 3 items, and it ended up, it was beautiful. I didn't even know they were here. So they says, hey, we get done with our fabulous breakfast up on the hill. Made in that little camper that everybody didn't know if it cooked or not. I think they should be convinced now. But anyway, they come walking down here, and now we get, I says, shit, if we'd known this, we'd have come down here and had our breakfast. But anyway, it's going to be a great Father's Day, and you just can't ask for any nicer weather. We just wished it would rain. We're getting terrible dry again, so I guess as they say later on the trail.